I didn't mean to. I swear, I didn't. They bruised too easily, anyway.
I will keep looking for the good in my work, in my life, in the people I'm lucky enough to serve.
We need to be more self-aware about that. We all have a role in this situation to stop the cycle of violence.
And I felt all this shame of not being smart enough. Not being smart enough to just fight.
When he hit me, I would not scream so that I would not frighten my daughter. I would try to be quiet so that she wouldn't be frightened.
Sometimes, I wish that what happened to me had never happened at all.
I wasn't understanding, men shouldn't be like this. How is he like that?
You think you know my story, but you don't know me.
But the first sign of abuse is very hard to see, very hard to understand that it's abuse. Now I know.